Here's the question. Graph y equals 1 over 2 x squared. Identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, and the y-intercept. Before we start, let's review the shape of the graph. Okay, first, y is a times x when a is greater than 0 and when a is less than 0. Well, this is our equation of line. Y-intercept is 0. The shape of the graph is a straight line passing through 0, 0. And when a is less than 0, it's downward sloping. It's also passing 0, 0. All right. Then we have y equals ax squared. And when a is greater than 0, it's a U-shaped. When a is less than 0, it's upside down U-shape. They both pass through 0, 0. Now then, remember, we have axis of symmetry. That's the one that passes through half of the graph. Also for the second graph. Now you can say the y-axis is the center of axis, but the equation is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. That's my axis of symmetry. Well, the good example of the first graph here is y is x squared, so remember this. And the second, the upside down shape, that's y is equal to negative x squared. So here the sign matters. So we have a graph of y is equal to 1 over 2x squared. The graph of this function will look somewhat like this. Now the question is, the graph is narrower or wider because of the leading coefficient of 1 over 2. Okay, so knowing that the shape of the graph is U-shaped, and when x is equal to 0, we know that it's passing through 0, 0 because y value is 0. When x is equal to 1, y value is equal to 1/2. And when x is equal to -1, it's also 1/2. The y value is 1/2. When x is equal to 2, it's passing through 2. Y value is equal to 2. So it's passing through 2, 2. Then the shape of the graph will be U-shaped. Just connect the dots with a curve. And then it will be symmetrical, so the graph will look like this on the left. Okay? So the vertex 0, 0, axis of symmetry is the one that is in half right here. So it's x is equal to 0. And the y-intercept is equal to 0. That's when x value is equal to 0, y value is equal to 0. Let's just remember, here the axis of symmetry, x equal to 0. Basically what that means is all the points on this green line, no matter what x value is, no matter what y value is, x value is always equal to 0. So that x equal to 0, it's not the value of x itself, it's the actual equation of line, the vertical line.